Okay, today I will show you the Bike Rack Duo and how to put it on the car and put the bikes on the roof. So first thing I'm doing is I'm removing all the protective covers from the vacuum cups. Then what I will do is I will wipe off the vacuum cups with a little bit water, and the same on the car roof, so I know that I have a clean position to mount it in. I will do the same on the other side. So like this. Now I have found a nice position on the roof, and then I will start by pumping on the two outer cups. I will press the rack down a little bit towards the roof, and as you can see, when I'm pumping the vacuum cups down to the roof, the cups are flattening out a little bit. So I will do the same on the other side. Pumping only takes a few seconds per cup. Every cup has a built-in vacuum pump with an indicator, so that you know that you have sufficient vacuum in the system. And once the white indicator on the pump doesn't show anymore, then you're knowing that you're all good. Okay, second thing I need to do is I will remove the wheel of the bike. So easily taking out the through axle bolt from the bike, pulling out the bolt and taking off the wheel. The wheel I will put in the back of the car. So I will leave the bolt right here. Then I have it close by when I bring up the bike, and also prepare one of the cups for the rear wheels. So I think it will be about in this area, making it ready right there. Then I can easily lift up the bike. This is a e-bike mountain bike, and I will grab the frame, flip it over, place the wheel gently on the back of the car, and taking the front fork over the fork mount, pushing the bolt through like this. Then we can just secure it by screwing it in and find the right amount of pressure right there. Perfect. Okay, now I only need to lift off the rear wheel, hold it a little bit in the air. I'll put the vacuum cup for the rear mount under where I want it. I can easily pump it. And then I will secure it with the strap on the cup. So that's it. That's one bike. I will prepare the other bike on the other side. We have a normal road bike. So I will prepare the position in the car roof. Have the cup right here. So this is the quick release type. So I will loosen up the quick release, easily take off the wheel, put it in the back. Once again, I will hold the frame, lift up the bike, and put the fork of the bike into the fork mount. So here I had already the quick release in the bike, and on the other side it's a true axle type of bolt that's used for the fork mount. So here again, find the right amount of pressure and just secure it like this. Then I will once again lift up the rear wheel, holding it a little bit in the air, putting it down where I want it, and easily just pump it to the car roof. So this is only a few seconds of pumping on each cup, and now again I can see the white indicator is all the way in. There is almost no more movement in the pump, so then I know it's fully secured. So, checking that the bikes are sitting properly, the rack will not move at all, and on the other side as well. So, rack is sitting properly, bike is sitting properly, and yeah, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.